How to add a stop on Lyft. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add a stop on Lyft, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically add a stop on Lyft, because maybe while booking a ride you would also like to add a stop so that you can actually stop somewhere else and you can tell the driver to stop. So when you open it up and then you go to the pickup location option, by default you have to enter your start destination, your start and the destination location, right? But if you would like to add a stop, if you look at the right hand side, right in between these lines you have a little plus icon, so you can just tap on it to basically add a stop. So unfortunately the only one option that we can add here is to simply add a single stop, so we can't add more than a single one. But if you do, then you can simply enter here. So basically you just want to go ahead and then make sure to enter a location from where you'd like to start your destination with, and once you have done that you'll be able to simply add a stop as well. And this way you should be able to add a stop on Lyft. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.